2 times 9 gives us 80. And again, we have 9 times 2, which again gives us 18. And 18 divided by 18 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses. And then the second thing to solve is exponent. And then after we solve all the parentheses and exponent, we are allowed to move to multiplication and division. So multiplication and division has priority number 3. Here is the thing though. If we have multiplication and division in one single expression, we have to do the math left to right, right? So multiplication and division have equal priority. Since they have equal priority, when we encounter them, we are going to solve the problem left to right. Same to addition as well. If we have addition and subtraction in one expression, we are going to use left to right. So now our problem, we have a multiplication and division in the middle. So we are going to multiply 2 by 9 and then divided that by 9, and then we are going to multiply everything by 2. So that is how we do. So 2 times 9, sorry for the interruption. So 2 times 9 gives us 18. And 18 divided by 9 times 2 is going to be the equation. And 18 divided by 9 gives us 2. And 2 times 2 is just 4. So the final answer to this question is 4.